In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header and footer in LibreOffice. If you have a document in LibreOffice Writer and you want a cleaner page layout, removing the header and footer is a quick adjustment. This is especially useful if your document includes page titles, page numbers, dates, or other content at the top or bottom that you no longer want to display. To begin, open your LibreOffice Writer file. Make sure the document you want to edit is fully loaded so you can access all of the formatting options without interruption. Once your file is open, move your attention to the top menu bar. Click on Format, and from the drop-down menu, choose Page Style. This will open a pop-up window where you can control several page layout settings for your document. In that pop-up, look to the left-hand panel. You'll see different sections related to page formatting. First, click on Header. After selecting it, look for the option labeled Header On. If that box is currently checked, simply uncheck it. Turning this off removes the header area from the page style, which also removes any content that was appearing there. Next, return to the left panel in the same pop-up window and click Footer. In the footer settings, find the option labeled Footer On and uncheck that as well. This disables the footer area and removes anything being displayed at the bottom of the page. At this point, both the header and footer settings should be turned off. To save the change, click Apply. This lets you preview and confirm the update to your document. Then click OK to close the pop-up window and finish the process. And that's it. Your LibreOffice Writer document should now no longer display a header or footer. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately notice the change, scroll through the document or switch between pages to confirm the formatting has updated everywhere the current page style is being used. In many cases, LibreOffice applies these settings based on the page style assigned to the document, so the removal should affect all pages using that same style. This is a simple but very useful formatting adjustment when you want a more minimal layout or need to prepare a document for printing without extra top or bottom content. Once you know where the page style settings are, it becomes much easier to manage the overall look of your document in LibreOffice Writer.